Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna discuss about case sensitivity in PHP. So let's start here. So every name of the variable in PHP are case sensitive. For example, let's see here that this is a variable that is assigned a value of 10, and this is another variable that is assigned a value of 20. So here you can see that these are both different two variables. So these are two variables. So variable names in PHP are not or case sensitive. This is a different variable and this will be considered as different variable because this name is in lowercase letters and this is in uppercase letters. PHP will consider both of these variables as two separate variables. So variables in PHP are case sensitive. Similarly, let's see here that in PHP all the language constructs, for example, let's see that echo, that are bold in blue color. For example, echo, similarly print, while, for, these are the PHP language constructs. So here you can see these are the keywords. These are also called keywords, or bold in, and color is blue, that is different from the other text. So all the language constructs in PHP are not case sensitive. These statements are, for example, if I write here echo as, so both of these cases in either in uppercase or in capital case letters, both are valid. So all the language constructs in PHP are not case sensitive. We can write in uppercase or lowercase letters. Similarly, write check it, print. Both of these language constructs are not case sensitive in PHP. Similarly, here are functions. So in PHP, all functions, the name of the functions are also not case sensitive. We can also call this function by using uppercase letters or lowercase letters. Both will be the same meanings. So I'll write here function, that is the name of this variable. Here I'm gonna save this file, make these lines as comments. Now I'm gonna save this file, open this in web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that hello is printed on the output screen. So all the name of the functions in PHP are not case sensitive. So I'm gonna write here in uppercase letters. You will also see the same result as with lowercase letter or uppercase letters. Now I'm gonna save this file. I'll write here a break line statement. So I'm gonna save this file, refresh the page. Here you can see that hello is printed 2 times because now I have told you about case sensitivity. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you about local and global scope of variable. So to understand the local scope of variable, let's see the function that I'm going to create here. Inside this function I'm gonna create here a variable that is named as name, and inside this I'm gonna save the name, that is Hassan, and after that I'll echo the value of this variable on the web page. So I'm gonna write here name is, and after that I'll write the name of this variable. Now I'm gonna call this function here. I'm gonna save the file and you will see that the hello Hassan or name is Hassan will be displayed on the web page. So I'm going to refresh the page. Here you can see that the name is Hassan is displaying on the web page. Now if I want to access the value of this name variable outside the function, so let's see that what happens. Now I'm gonna cut this statement here and paste it here. I'll I'm gonna save the file and refresh the page. As you can see that undefined variable. Now you can see that the name variable that is inside this function is a local to this function, and this variable can only be accessed or accessible within this function. We cannot use the value of this variable outside the function. Now this is a local variable that is inside the function. Its scope is local only to the body of this function. Now if I declare this variable outside the function, and here is a echo statement that is named as. Now I'm gonna save the file and refresh the page. Here you can see that the name is Hassan is displaying on the web page. Now this is a variable is outside the function, so that we can use this variable inside the PHP tag everywhere before this function or after this function, or we can also use this in another PHP tag. If I want to display the value of this variable inside another PHP tag, so this value will also be accessible here. Now I'm gonna paste it here. Now I'm gonna save the file, refresh the page. You will again see that the name is Hassan is displaying on the web page, so it is outside the h2, so the text is little bit smaller. Now let's see that if I want to access the value of this variable inside this function, so it will not be accessible. Now I'm going to save the file, refresh the page, and you will see here an error that undefined variable. So to make this variable accessible within this function, we have to use a global keyword, and after that I write the name of this variable. Now after using this statement global and the name of this variable that I want to access inside the function, then I will be able to access the value of this variable inside the function. Now I'm going to save the file and refresh the page. As you can see that the name is Hassan is displaying on the web page. So this was about local and global scope of variables. So hopefully guys you have understood about local and global scope of variable. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.